Let's go back to where we all cared about one another and spread the love, and we're talking food love. Can I please have any and all departments with items for donation come to the receiving area with them at this time? Thank you. Stuff like this, people are gonna go for first. If Kroger wasn't donating fresh donations, I don't think some of these people out there would be getting anything fresh.
The face of hunger in America, it looks a lot like you and me and all of us. And so whatever your preconceived notion of what a hungry person looks like, I don't want to say that you're wrong, but it's an incomplete picture. In America, almost 40% of people identify as food insecure. That's 2 in 5 who might not know where their next meal is going to come from.
We want to make sure at Kroger that all food achieves its highest purpose, which is to feed people. And so if that food is not going to feed people, then we want to make sure it's being recycled or upcycled to go and feed animals, become compost, so that way no food is going to the landfill.
It's no longer sitting back and really watching this happen. When you look at it by the numbers, $400 billion of food is wasted each year, but yet we still have over 30 million people that are food insecure. So we're wasting a lot of money, time, resources, but also most of that food is going into the landfill, which is emitting harmful greenhouse gases into the atmosphere.
Zero hunger, zero waste, to me, that really means making sure that we are doing everything we can to take care of the community and keep things out of our landfill.
So I think personally it just makes my heart warm, right? Like, I enjoy giving back, and anything that we can do, it makes our jobs mean something.
We're making real change happen by changing the way food is used. And it's making a real difference in the communities we serve. But we're not done yet. This is Zero Hunger, Zero Waste.